Yo, homeboy, you wanna do a video? Okay, I'm gonna start over here. I guess you can start over there. Okay, yo, cue my intro. Your Weekend Gardener here. And I got my garden dog out here. He's inspecting the place real quick. The reason why I brought you out here is you may have seen this in some shots, me doing videos. Excuse the mess. The maid hasn't been here in a while, but you may have seen this in the background. This is potatoes that I've been growing in a 5-gallon bucket. I started these potatoes a few months ago. They were in the house and they had eyes on them. And I don't want to eat them, of course, because that looks gross. What's up? What do you think, homeboy? No? Okay. And I know you're supposed to put them in here. I just threw them in here. And then what I did is I waited for the leaves to get like this in the vines. And I was told that once it gets like this, they're ready. So this is my first attempt at growing in a bucket. These are store-bought potatoes. Everyone knows that these store-bought potatoes have a spray or some type of inhibitor on it for their eyes or delayed eyes, but these had eyes on them. So I'm gonna see if I can get some lemonade for these women. Fingers crossed. If this works, I'm gonna do it again. I think I started off with like maybe about 4 potatoes. And if this works, I'll do it again. So far, yeah. This is what we have. And I always say, if you get more out than what you put in, you're good. Oh, this is crazy. I'm gonna reuse the dirt for something different. I heard that when you reuse the dirt, you're not supposed to use them again for potatoes. But this is one of the potatoes that was used. This is what's left. So that's the sacrifice. Here's the other potato. So what I did is I watered these whenever they got dry. I watered them, put a little bit of fertilizer in, not too much. Okay, you know what? I'm actually happy. This little experiment worked. So you can grow potatoes from store-bought potatoes. So if your potatoes go bad in the house, here you go. This is what I got. I'm real big on getting more out than what you put in. Yes, they're teeny, but it works. Am I gonna do this again? Absolutely. I got 3 potatoes. I can dice those up and use it for breakfast. Your Weekend Gardener. We out.